Good afternoon and welcome to another edition of the Ashworth Weekly Market Update. We are happy to have you here with us. Today is the 10th and happy 4th of July to everybody. We hope that everyone had a safe and happy 4th of July. We have just a little bit of information coming in this week from the labor market, and we're going to talk about it for just a bit. The bottom line is that this chart is taking a lot of different data points with regards to the unemployment and wage growth and job openings and a whole bunch of other statistics and trying to combine them into a single chart. And one of the things that we're noticing right now is that the job market is definitely cooling right now, even though there are pieces of the job market that are still higher or more elevated than what they have been for quite a while. Employment gains, it's the slowest pace of private employment gains since 2020. Job growth, there's a revision down in job growth. The ratio of openings from unemployed workers to job openings is the lowest that it's been since October of 2021. And so there's just a number of things that are happening right now. Again, it's kind of a mixed signal with regards to what we're seeing with the labor market, and this is one of the key indicators that the Fed is looking at. With this chart, we don't feel like that it changes a whole lot with regards to what the Fed is going to do. We anticipate, it sounds like, that they may raise interest rates one more time. We'll see whether or not that is true or not. But this week's data really didn't do a whole lot to show either one side or the other with regards to whether or not to pause or whether or not to keep increasing interest rates. The good news is that the economy is still moving along quite rapidly. The top five or the largest five stocks in the S&P 500 have proven to have most of the gains, probably 80% of the gains of the S&P 500 this year so far, and the rest of the market is still fairly undervalued. And so good diversification and good market money managers are going to prove very, very viable for this next little while as we continue to help manage the portfolios going forward. With that, we'll go ahead and close for today. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate it. And again, if you have friends or family or other people that you feel like might be interested in taking advantage of our weekly webinar, please feel free to forward this on to them. Again, thank you so much. Bye-bye.